Okay, so you've read the title and you've seen the thumbnail. We've got my Golf GTI in the background, and today is finally time for the first performance mods. Alright, so we've got Georgia, we've got the animals out, but like I did say, we've got the first performance mods for the Golf. Now, before I go stage one on this, which we are doing, we are going to be going stage one, I want to try and get as much power out of stage one as possible. So a couple of things I want to do to this car is an intake and an exhaust, and then we're going to look at going stage one. So my boys down at Ram Air have hooked it up once again, and they've hooked me up with a full oversized intake for the Mark V Golf GTI. And don't tell me I don't do nothing for you guys. I've got you all a discount code with Ram Air. We've actually partnered up with Ram Air and they're sponsoring the GTI build on the channel. So if you use the discount code J3ESE, it will be on the screen now. You can get a nice little bit of discount when ordering your Ram Air filters. But let me show you what they've sent us. We've got the bloody one dog, we've got another dog. Right, let me show you what we've got. I have opened this, I'm not going to lie, just to make sure it was what I thought it was. And when I say Ram Air have hooked us up, guys, we've got some t-shirts in here, some Ram Air t-shirts. Where'd you get them? I'm going to put one of them on in a sec. We've got the intake, which is the party piece. This is, let me put the camera down. So we've got the intake in there, which I will unbox in a minute. And then they've sent us a load of bits. We've got a load of stickers in here. We've got this absolutely gorgeous flipping toe strap, which I'm not going to be putting on the Golf, unfortunately, because I don't think it'll suit it. But maybe in the future that might go on the Civic or something. But it's just a really nice flipping toe strap. Might do a giveaway on that. Yeah, load of stickers, load of little cool bits, flipping. What else we got? We've got air fresheners in here as well. They smell really nice. But I'm sorry, I just want to crack on and get this intake on. So let me quickly unbox it, and then we're gonna whack it on the car and get some proper turbo noises going. Right. So let's have a look what we've got in the box. Obviously, an intake, and like I did say, this is going to help us get as much power out of the car going stage one. So we went for the overpowered one. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Overpowered. No, it's not. Oversized. Just because I know this can take you. Bloody hell, that's a big filter. Size of that. That's massive. Right, I'm gonna lay it out somewhere. Hard pipes. They're very nice, like a brushed kind of black aluminium. Another kind of elbow, which is a hard pipe. Guessing that's for your MAF sensor, and it comes with brand new bolts for your MAF sensor as well. Look at that, beautiful. What else have we got? Got all your Jubilee clamps and everything that you need. Instructions in there as well. What else? More hard pipes. Bloody big bore. I can pretty much fit my fist in there. Got a bit of like rubber trim. I'm assuming that's for the heat shield, so it doesn't rattle off anything. The heat shield itself. More heat shield. Flipping heck. And then we've got two massive flipping silicone hoses. Oh, four massive silicone hoses. Right. I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to go from there. We're just going to wing it and I'm going to read the instructions as I go along. But what we're replacing is this. Obviously, this is the 2-litre FSI engine, and this actual kind of engine cover also works as the intake. So obviously the air comes up in here, filters somewhere in there, and then goes down the back of the engine here. So all this has obviously got to come off. You just got two clips there. I'll get the tools out in a sec. A couple of little bolts, and I'll get the engine cover off. Obviously got to take your MAF sensor out as well, which plugs into just there, so there's no engine lights on the car. Alright, so it's really simple to get your original airbox off. You've just got two big clips here. You just pop them with a flathead screwdriver. 2 bolts down here, all T20 because it's German. 2 T20s down there, and then your full airbox comes off. Obviously take your MAF sensor out and you get out the frigging way, cat, and your full airbox comes off. That's a pretty meaty bit of bloody kit, that, and it does weigh quite a bit. So yeah, also I've ordered a new PCV valve just because I want to get it done. There's nothing wrong with this one, but I just want to do it myself. And I've ordered another what's this thing in here called? I've ordered another cam follower because the previous owner told me that he done it. I'll take his word for it, but I'm just going to do it myself because I can get the parts from work and they're really, really cheap. So yeah, we will be doing that. But I think the next protocol is, see that flipping Jubilee clip down there? Yeah, we've got to get that off, and then one of these parts replaces it. But yeah, she's pretty tidy under here. Get to your spark plugs really easy. Yeah, happy days. Right, I'm not going to bore you too much with the fitting of this because there is instructions in here, so if you do want to know how to fit it and you are looking at ordering one, there is really easy to fit instructions, so that's all good. I'm just going to crack on, get it done as fast as possible because I want to flip in hear it. I want this car to have some sort of performance sound to it because at the moment it sounds a little bit like a hairdryer. Right, so we're getting there now. I'm just in the process of making up all the heat shielding and stuff like that. This is how far we've got. So it's on the turbo, comes all the way back here. We've got the new MAF sensor, well, not the new MAF sensor, but a new place for the MAF sensor. A couple of the silicone pipes into a hard pipe, into a silicone L-bend, and then I'm going to get all the heat shielding down here, and then carry on with the rest before the bloody instructions fly away. But yeah, I'm just putting all the bits of the puzzle together, and then we can get it on, and then eventually start it up. Right, so we are all on. All the Jubilee clamps are nice and tight. Got the 6 little ram air filter. Morning, Jamie.
Hello.
We've got the ram air filter on there. I have gone round all these, made sure they are tight, so it's time to turn it on. Make sure there's no engine lights. Let's do that to start with, actually. Right. Let's turn it on. Come on. Should be all good. MAF sensor's still in, so we should be fine. Yep, we're all off. Let me check for leaks. Oh, I can hear that. Right, I'll let the car warm up. We'll give it a couple of revs and then we'll take it around the block and see what it sounds like. Alright, let's see what it sounds like. Flipping definitely better than before, but let's go take it around the block and see if we get any turbo flutters or anything like that. This thing is sick, guys. It's got mint in the engine bay. I'm going to tidy all this up. Flipping, obviously never been tidy all that up at a later date, but let's go take it for a drive. Let's take it around the block and see what it's saying. Alright, so straight away the throttle response is way more responsive now. Definitely more responsive, and it just, don't know, just seems nicer to drive. I don't know if it's mind over matter or the placebo effect or whatever, but so far it just seems a lot more responsive and just easier on the engine almost. Oh, I guess it has unlocked a little bit of power, so I I'm going to let the car fully get to temperature, put my foot down and see what it properly sounds like. Yeah, honestly guys, straight away it seems like boost comes on a little bit quicker, a little bit sooner and a little bit more harsh. Like I say, it might just be mind over matter, but to me everything seems more responsive. Downshifting seems more responsive. It sounds amazing. It's not too loud, it's not too in your face. Don't know, it just seems a lot better. Everything just seems a lot better, throttled a lot. I'm just going to quickly pull over, just double check everything, make sure we are all good, and yeah, we'll probably wrap this video up. Check we're all good. Happy days, happy days. All right then, that is another video done on the Golf GTI. Guys, I'm absolutely loving this car so far. It's just really nice to have a fresh car for the channel, fresh modification, something a little bit different, something that so far you guys are absolutely loving. Like, this video ain't going to go out for probably another 3 weeks or something, but at the time I'm filming, the videos are doing amazing on the Golf, and there's only going to be more to come. The Civic's going to be happening very soon as well, so it's all guns blazing at the moment. But I just want to give a massive thank you to Ram Air for now sponsoring and being a partner of the channel. So once again, if you do want to go grab yourself an induction kit, just a normal filter, their filters are like market leading, top quality filters. So if you are interested in them, use the code J3ESE at the checkout and you can get some discount. But for now, I'm going to let you guys go. If you did enjoy this video, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.